Located in one of the best streets in Raby, we're right opposite acreage blocks within walking distance to Raby Shopping Centre, schools, childcare and all amenities. This 4-bedroom home is an absolute gem. Let's take you through. This custom-built home has gone through a fair bit of renovation with multiple living areas, separate dining, stunning kitchen with stone benchtop, stainless steel appliances. It's perfect for a growing family. If you think I'm going to jump, I'm not. Stunning in-ground pool with your own backyard and a covered entertainment area, perfect for the entertainer. Look forward to seeing you at my next open home.